6-66 ang ating score dito.
Agaw. Wala.
Recover. Umpao, yes. 106-68. Final 2 minutes of the ball game. Brought to you by Sports Trust, the official sports book of the MPBL. Rodel Vigan with another three.
Rodel Vigan is with his third three-pointer. All of his 9 points coming from three.
Perez will throw it down.
I love that dunk. Parang medyo mala Carmelo yung dunk na yan. Nilaglag na lang.
Oo nga. Andres. No? Andrews. Ball knocked away. Kodyamak with the recovery. Vigan for three.
Gotta appreciate the effort though. I can't believe I'm saying this, but that's what I saw. The effort by Pasaol. Instead of allowing the 2 points, he got fouled actually, si Sean Andrews, but I love the effort to at least stop that play.
Landed Pasaol. Go to the line for 2 free throws.
Brother of the MVP,
John Ray.
Pasaol. Current MVP.
Oo nga pala.
Yeah. See?
Wow.
Yeah, you're so busy you don't even know who the MVP
I know, but I just can't imagine because Alvin would talk about his brother.
Yeah. John Ray.
Nag-champion na si Alvin sa UAP.
Alvin?
Yeah. Goodwill Games.
Goodwill Games. Okay.
Muntik ka na maano.
Okay. Iniisip ko.
With the media team. With the UAAP press corps. By the way. Kahit si Alin Bulanadi na hindi UAAP player na champion sa UAAP Goodwill.
Sa Goodwill Games.
Sa Goodwill Games. Silang dalawa yung naging import namin.
Okay.
Siyempre, nung lalaro ka sa ABS-CBN or nung sa Adamson, hindi ka pumapayag na natatalo ka ng UAAP press corps.
That was a long time ago.
Bro, that was 13,
that
12,
was
more than a decade ago.
more than a decade. I can't believe it. You're so old. This guy's not.
And you know what I remember? I remember asking permission from Coach Leo Austria. Coach, ipipressure ka namin para makahabol kami.
Because at that time, he was the head coach of Adamson. And we were in the juniors. Okay, kami nila Coach Cole. Host ng Adamson.
Coach Jing Ruiz was there as well. Huh?
Correct. Assistant ni Coach Leo.
Former Commissioner Kenneth Duremdes was also in that lineup before.
Correct. See, Rodel Vigan continues to add on to the shopping three today. Might as well chime in. Ilang 3 points yan? 5?
Tatlo yata. 11 3-pointers para sa Mindoro in this ball game. Perez. Grabe. Rodel Vigan with another three.
Yun yung pang-5.
Pang-5. How many threes do they have in this ball game?
Well, not too many. I mean, it's normal.
12.
12. Sorry, I was looking at Parañaque. Yeah, 12 nga. Tama. Ito yung pang-12.
That's a good game to get his rhythm. Vigan with another three. Oh my.
Is this a timeout? Is this a timeout? Are you kidding me?
It's 1,000. He reaches 1,000 points.
Okay.
Rodel Vigan.
Okay. My bad.
That
Okay.
This is a legendary achievement
I don't mean to ruin the moment, but
from a legendary player
congratulations.
for Mindoro.
Something we need. Thank you, Rodel Baigan.
For achievements in the years
1,000
to come.
career
Once again,
points
give it up
para kay Rodel
for
Baigan.
Baigan.
At the 28.6 second mark ng fourth quarter ng laro to, Rodel Baigan able to achieve we have a little over 60 players here in the MPBL na nakaabot sa 1,000 points, and Rodel Baigan yung sa Mindoro, I think he has only played. This is a beautiful story because he only played for this franchise.
Tama.
That is the beauty of what Rodel Baigan has achieved today.
And that's something maybe worth researching.
Handful of 3-pointers galing kay Joel.